Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a campaign. A campaign enables users to automate processes, facilitating efficient targeting and engagement by defining a series of steps and actions. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the campaign section from the main dashboard. Click on the Add Campaign to create a new campaign. A pop-up window will appear. Here, enter a campaign name and description to define your campaign's purpose. Once done, click Save to proceed. A campaign is made up of three main components. Feeder. These steps bring contacts into the campaign. Decisions. These steps assess contacts based on specific behaviors or attributes. Actions. These steps are used to take actions such as sending contacts to other platforms or adding them to a list, etc. Now, in this XMaple, we are creating a campaign for sales outreach using HubSpot and LinkedIn. To begin, choose Add from List and double-click the step to select the desired contacts list from the drop-down and specify how often it should be reevaluated, and click Save. Next, let's send the contacts list to HubSpot. Click on Send to HubSpot step. Connect the steps and double-click the step to select Pre-configured. Connection. Ensure this connection is set up beforehand. Now, you can also create a new list by clicking on Create New Else, search or choose a list from the drop-down where the contacts need to be saved and click Save. Next, we want to wait for 7 days for the sales to complete its HubSpot outreach. Let's add a delay step in the campaign workflow. Double-click the step and enter the duration for the delay. Click Save. Now, let's check if a user has visited the website in the last 7 days. Click on Has Visited Our Website step. Double-click the step and specify the minimum number of website visits a user should have made and the time frame within which these visits occurred. Click Save. Now, let's add the contacts visited the website to Salesforce. Click on Create Lead in Salesforce step. Double-click the step to select the pre-configured connection from the drop-down, and click Save. Now, let's create a task to reach the contacts who haven't visited the website on LinkedIn. Click on the Create LinkedIn Task step. Double-click the step to select the task type from the drop-down. Then, choose the Due On Day from the drop-down to specify the completion date for the task. Click Save. Click on the Fit View button to adjust and display all the steps on the screen. When the campaign structure is ready, click Save. A confirmation message will appear. Finally, click Activate to start the campaign workflow.